This is a walkthrough of a Fontainebleau Gold King room. But before we go into the room, I just wanted to show you the hallway. This is the 29th floor, and it must be the widest hallway I think I've ever seen in a hotel. It's incredible. Absolutely immaculate too. The carpet still smells new, despite the fact this place opened 9 months ago. So I don't know if this is a new floor that they've opened, but it's very impressive. So it's 2931. As I said, this is a Gold King, which is a step up from the regular King, I understand. So the bathroom is massive. The walk-in shower is massive. Biggest walk-in shower I think I've ever seen. You can even take a seat look. A lovely big mirror. As you can see in the mirror, you get bathrobes as well. His and hers sink. And all of your towels down there. Your toilet in here. And all of your lights and blinds have these sort of touch pads where you can turn them on and off. Very state of the art. Nice big mirror there. And what I like about this room is it's really, really bright. Lovely. So just turning around here. Nice piece of art there. Loving the blue tints to everything in the room. Seating area. And on your bed, of course, you've got the same sort of touch pads there, with all of your charging ports and what have you. Bed looks super, super comfy. Nice big TV. And what I like down here, you have the chargeable items there, but they also give you, it's actually pretty cold in there, a nice cold fridge for your own drinks and what have you, and also glasses and corkscrew and all that type of thing. Very good. More chargeable items there. Chaise lounge, seat, and this is the view from the room. Very nice. So it should look pretty good with the sphere lit up. When you've even got a bit of circus on the right hand side. And then down here, let me show you the pool from, I mean, this pool complex is something else. I mean, it really is something else. Look at that. Suzanne is down there as we speak. Very, very impressive. I will do a full tour of the pool as well. So yeah, I mean, I'm quite blown away about this, actually, this place. I also like the light around the bed as well. That's pretty cool. Didn't notice that until just now. So yeah, I got this on basically a 4-night comp. I played here in July, and I must have cycled through probably $3,000. I ended up winning a few hundred. And you may have heard me say in the regular vlog that I wasn't sure they were going to send me any comps before I arrived with Suzanne. But I actually got the comp within a week of the last gambling session. So they're very keen to entice people up this end of the strip. And I'm really going to try and get some status here over the next couple of trips for 2025. So yeah, very, very impressed, and ultra friendly when you check in. The place is immaculate, as you can tell. So over the next couple of days, I will show you as much of Fontainebleau as I can. Anyway, that's the room. Very impressive. I think you'll agree. See you in the vlog.